Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a popsicle book. Start by gathering paper, popsicle sticks, glue, clips, and a craft knife. Cut each sheet to a uniform size, fold them in half, and nest them as signatures. Apply a thin layer of glue along the spine, clamp the book with clips, and let it dry fully before trimming the edges and attaching decorated popsicle stick covers. Organize your pages into signatures of 4 to 8 sheets, which keeps the book flexible and reduces bulk. Trim edges carefully with a ruler and craft knife for clean alignment. Use a bone folder to crease folds sharply so pages sit flat. Stack signatures in order, checking that folds nest consistently, and clamp them lightly before applying glue to the spine so everything stays aligned while drying. After the glue sets on the spine, add a reinforcing strip of cloth or paper for durability before attaching the popsicle stick covers. Align sticks carefully so both front and back covers match and offer even protection. Press and clamp again until fully dry, then sand edges lightly if needed. Finish by painting or embellishing covers to match your theme, and add a ribbon or a...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.